What is a miracle? I offer only miracles today, for I would have them be returned to me. Of course, you're practicing, and it's so easy to forget and fall into offering something other than a miracle, like not believing anything is possible at that time, and say, recognizing that someone needs some correction or change or anything aside from forgiveness. And that correction being in the definition of miracle there, and that properly understood through the application of forgiveness, and not so much a wrong with the doings of the person. The miracle in which you're offering is seeing past and beyond all, say, actions and styles and characteristics of people, of things. You want to recognize what that reality is there beyond physicality. You're looking for heaven. And that's why a miracle can seem to be in so many different ways. Change of laws, freedom from this, or a relieving of that. And we have a series of definitions of what we would consider a miracle. And all of them are a recognition of a reality beyond physicality, which we talked a lot in our statute. We believe in miracles. There's even a list of different types of miracles, and recognizing that it is all discovering that reality beyond it, so that you can then adjust and shift. It's like cleaning the slate so that a new version, variation, is capable of manifesting. Now, usually we don't let go of our definitions, and so we're just holding the same definitions to manifest, the same manifestations over and over and over again, every moment. When at any time, you can see beyond it, see through it, and manifest something differently. So that universal law of love, we want to emphasize that yes, this does include what you see as love between people. Love between your partner and your kids and animals and everything. Because of what that reality is beyond physicality is all what love is what God is. And you're here conversing, discussing, working with, learning from God. And it's always has been. And yet, do we see the reality of God? Do we experience the universal law of love that applies to everything and everyone? Or do we separate? I discern this thing more worthy than this thing. I discern this thing better than this thing. I discern this as real love, and this is not real love. Let's allow ourselves to recognize that beyond physicality, there is no discernment between what is love and what is love. Of course, everything is deserving and worthy of what it is, for that's what it is, right? So we just have to recognize what it actually is beyond our physical definitions and shapes and constructs. I make it sound so easy. I know. It's like, right? Right.